Today I will show you above grounds utilities, what kind of utilities we have on the ground using the sample of Singapore near Outram MRT station. This is Outram road. Here we have to build one of station on the road. So from beginning stage, what it looks like. This is the second Hospital Avenue road at entrance. So I will show you what happened from beginning of this project. For that, I will show you the previous one, 2015, so 2013. So this is the location where we have 2013 and 2021 now built entrance of MRT. So in order to do that, how do we excavate here? Then what kind of utilities we have to remove or relocate or deal with, like suspend or diversion. So on the right side, this page shows utilities above ground and underground, what kind of things we have. Firstly we can see the POB, pedestrian over the bridge, that have to remove. And this is signage, so we can put here. And what we may have, you can see this street light. There is a street light. Street light is under Outram. Street light have to remove or relocate. And beside you can see the OG box. This is main SP power grid, power OG box, then distribute to street light OG box and traffic light OG box. Because you can see over here the traffic light. This traffic light is controlled by this control box. This control box connected by Singtel and the power. So traffic light, there is street light, and here I put a traffic light, as it is controlled by LTE-ITSC. What is this? There is a CCTV or traffic camera kind of things is here, right under LTE-ITSC. I put a load camera. The trees is under MPOP. Agency is MPOP. We have a tree. And on the walkway there is drain and the road curve. Along the road curve, every 6 meter or 3 meter, normally it's 6 meter, there is drop inlet chamber. So drop inlet chamber and the drain. Drain is under POB. You can see all this. This is hydrant. This is hydrant. It's under water pipe. Meaning it's supposed to have a water pipe under the road. Then along the road there is water pipe. Then a half valve. You can see here a chamber. This is a chamber that you can see. This is the one that to control this. When you relocate hydrant, you have to close the valve, then you can cut off, then relocate or remove for the maintenance. And move on to next. And this is walkway, as I told. It's along the way there is drain. This is also the same as water. The small chamber. It could be water or gas. Its purpose. So it could be gas. This handrail later on have to reinstate. There is manual, we can see. Oh, this is manual. Okay, manual. There is a SEW. There is a word of SEW. SW meaning is a sewer. Sewer is under POB. And then come to the junction. There are many kinds of utilities. Trap light, signage, and the beacon light. This beacon light also linked to street light. So you can see street light. There's one more, the beacon light. There is ERP. ERP is also big obstruction. So I put it under LTA, ERP. This canal also big drain and hydrant. Linkway, above ground structures of linkway. This is Singtel manual and one. It's not very clear. So manhole and also manhole. And one also can see the manhole. Power you cannot see any chamber. It's going red, but in the middle there are some link up. There is a link box. Link box is kind of a joint of power. So when you see on the road, when you survey on the site, you have to find what kind of linkway, whatever things you have. Firstly, you have to purchase all of utility agencies drawing. 66. The wording is not very clear. The wording is 66. 66 kV. What you can see on the road by link box. Meaning somewhere here there is cable joint that you must be careful. This is where back to 2013. So we started just now to show what utilities we have underground, but we can see from the ground hydrant and chamber for the water pipe, sewer manual, drain cover, drain manual. You can see the manual cover. And Singtel, you can see the manual and 6 kV link box, 230 kV, 6 kV link box, and 230 kV also have link box, but 22 kV 6.6 don't have separate link box. But LV this one don't have. LV has OG box over ground. Just now the one, but this is OG box. And street light, trap light, cameras, pedestrian cross, and box tree show need to get approval from agencies. Okay, this is ground utilities from. This is that we can see from above ground what will be and what we have underground. But for those things to know, we have to purchase first the utility agencies. And before that, just briefly show you what happened at this area. This is 2013 and 2015 was different. 2013 and 2015. So cut the trees. 2016, 13. This is 2015. 2015 was the load has curve. Come from SGH, curve all the way. Then 2015, made it straight. Meaning those utilities, normally underground utilities, following the road for the maintenance. Then after straighten the load, this part become excavation and structure area. So a lot of utilities have to be diverted out, otherwise they will crash with the structure. So whatever utilities are over here have to be relocated, meaning diverted over this side. There's no choice to support, otherwise it may crash with structures. 2016, back to 2016. So 2016, the load has straightened. Then last time there was a lot of utilities over here, should be diverted out. Then what happened? Last time was curved road with diverted over here. Then installing the RSS, the second model file, and install the decking plate. To use crane to excavate down, and those utilities, some of utilities is not able to remove all, they have to support. Then 2017, there was decking over here. Then install the deck and open to public. So below here is decking plate and excavation coming from here. Under the load, excavation is ongoing. 2019, you can see the structure came up and this entrance. And 2020, there is structure almost finished. There is one more, 2021. Then you can see structure of entrance and the lift has finished. So what happened for 7 years? From 2014 to 2021. At the first time, the load was curved. Then a lot of utilities are over here. Then after straighten up, diverted out. Then this is where the built structure. So there was load last time over here. Then built structure. Previous all the utilities is diverted out after straightening up the load. This is new OG boxes and built station over there. Okay, today I will end here. Thank you for watching my video. And next time I will show you each agencies and each utilities how to deal with, how to process, to relocate and divert or support. Thank you.